After installing the add-ons, the Go4whatsup data sync button will appear in the extension menu. Click on it and you will be prompted to grant authorization. Make sure to use the same email you registered with on the Go4whatsup platform. Once the authorization is complete, the add-ons will open, displaying two buttons. Insert Demo Data. When you click the Insert Demo Data button, the data will be inserted. Be sure to follow the demo data format provided in the sheet. After inserting your data into the sheet, click the Fetch Sheet Data button. A new screen will appear, displaying the sheet's data in a table format. Two buttons will be visible in the right corner. Clicking the Back button will return you to the previous screen. Once your data is fully synced, ensure there are no duplicate contacts. Click the Sync Contacts button and a confirmation pop-up will appear. After confirming, the contacts from the sheet will be synced to the contact section of the Go4whatsup platform. This process may take some time.